Now, when using ChatGPT for coding, there also is another useful prompting technique besides that trick I showed you in the previous lecture. And that other technique I'm about to show you allows you to skip the extra explanations ChatGPT tends to add to its responses. Because here, in all the responses I got from ChatGPT, it always did not just give me the code, but also always some extra explanations. And these explanations might be nice to have, but especially as a developer, you might not need them. Therefore, when asking ChatGPT for some code, you may want to consider adding another special instruction, another piece of context to your prompt. And that instruction should be something like this here. Give me just the code, no extra explanations or text. Though, as always, you might want to play around with that to find the prompt that best works for you. But when sending this to ChatGPT, it should typically just give you the code and nothing else. Though here, as you can see, it actually took this a bit too far and even omitted the formatting, which is not what I want. Therefore, I'll tweak this prompt here, and I'll remove this or text part and just ask for the code without extra explanations. Nope, still doesn't work. Therefore, I now tweaked the prompt to tell ChatGPT that the code should be formatted as code. And with that, now indeed, I do get just the code here. It starts with the code right away, but it keeps the formatting. And I showed these different alternatives to you because in my experience, all three alternatives can work. I've seen all three alternatives work, and as so often when working with ChatGPT, it's all about trying out different things. The key takeaway, of course, is that you can get ChatGPT to give you a response like this, where you have just the code and no extra explanations, which in the end can make it a bit easier for you as a developer to work with ChatGPT, and which of course also means that you got the final response a bit quicker.